Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share my personal experience with all of you with Veet Hair Removal Cream. Well, I still get shiver when I remember the day when I first had my bikini wax. That was very painful, and that was the time when I decided that I'm never ever going to have it again in my life. And after that I started using different hair removal cream by different brands, but I've never got full satisfaction. So one day I saw an ad of Veet Hair Removal Cream on TV and I bought it, and since that day I've been using this cream for removing hair from my sensitive areas like the underarm area and the area around the genitals. So this is the cream, and this comes in two variants, one for the normal skin type and one for the sensitive skin type. This is dermatologically tested, and this cream can remove hair from any part of your body. So for this, what you have to do is, you have to just apply a thin layer of Veet Hair Removal Cream on the required area using the spatula, just like this, and then you have to leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Right? Now after 5 minutes or so, you can remove it with the spatula itself, and you have to rinse it with water. Now the pro tip here is that you have to make sure that while removing it, you slide the spatula in the opposite direction to that of your hair growth. So if let's say the hair growth is like this, then you have to move your spatula in the opposite direction, right? In order to remove the hair. So it's that simple and gives you a sallow-free, silky smooth skin which lasts much longer than shaving, as it acts closer to the roots. One more thing I would like to share here is that Veet Hair Removal Cream neither make your skin darker nor make it itchy, and doesn't even have any kind of burning sensation. So feel free to use it at your sensitive areas like your underarm area or your bikini line area. Now I always recommend everyone to do a patch test on their hand before applying it on their sensitive areas. So this is another pro tip which you should always follow before applying anything on your sensitive area, so that you can get an idea whether this cream suits you and doesn't affect you in harmful ways. So what are you waiting for? Just go and grab it and get the sallow-free experience at home in the most economical and effective way.